Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account password on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your username or your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home feed. Now, if you wish to change your account password, you can click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Settings. Now, from the settings page, click on Account and you will now see your password section. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be asked to verify your identity in order to change your password. You can click on the Request Code button and you will now be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your inbox. So just log into the email address that you used while signing up for your account and you will find the verification code. Just enter this verification code within the Reset Code section. And after entering this, you can simply type in your desired new password underneath. Then just click on the next button and now your password has successfully been changed. You can tap on Close and continue to use your account as usual. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Bluesky social application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.